Hi, this is Mohit Tyagi. Today we will discuss one of the issues that we face in Power BI. How do we sort the month year into a slicer, right? So this is the Excel sheet where we have four columns, right? And we need to create a slicer where we can see a month along with the year, right? So to do that, we need to create an additional field here, right? So let me create a column and let me give the name as like month hyphen year, right? And that will be created based on the format and order date comma month hyphen year, right? So I'm giving this 3 time M and 4 time Y because I want to get 3 alphabet of my month name along with the whole year, right? So let me enter this. So we will get the data like that, right? So now I can use this month year field as an slicer, right? So let me go to the report view. Let me delete this and I'm adding a new slicer. And where is the month year? This is the month year. So the issue is that, right, so this is starting based on the alphabet because A is coming first, so that's why we are getting April 2021. So but the issue is like we don't want to see our slicer in that way. We want our slicer from January, right, from January 2021 and so on. So to do that, so we need to go back to the table view, right? So in the table view we need to add an additional field which will act as a sorted column, right? So I will show you. So let me create a new column. So in that column we will assign like so let me give an month number. So month number actually will give me the number of the month like 1 to 12. So how it will do that? Month order date, right? So this will give me like 1 to 3, right? Now we got the month number. We need to also get the year, right? So let me create one more year, right, equal to year of order date. So this is very simple, like just need to get the month number and year, right? So we need to create an additional column for the sorted columns. Create another column and we need to use the year that we just created. Year, we need to multiply this 12 and we need to add the month number, right? So we can name it as sorted months years, right? So now we will get a code, right? So that code is a unique in within a row, right? So this is the code we use, like year multiply 12 plus month number. So this will be a unique with respect to every row, right? So now we can select our this month year column which we are using inside the slicer, right? So we have selected this and now come to the sorted column and we will sort it by based on the sorted month here, right? So I need to click on this, right? So now our month year has been sorted. So you will not be able to see the effect here. Once we will go to the report view, and you will see automatically this slicer is automatically sorted, right? So that's how like we can sort our slicer. So we just need to create this field, and that field will consist year field plus month number, right? So this is the way like we can create a sorted month year field. So that's how you can create this. And I also wanted to show you one more thing in this video. So let's suppose we have this table only, right? And we want to create a one more table, right? So we need to go to the table view and go to the new table, right? So once we are here, right, so we need to create a table, so that we can create table in a multiple way, right? So I want to show you some of them, like how we can create them. So one way like you can create a table based on a function like data table, right? So this is the one way. You can simply use the data table as a function, and now you can use your field like whatever you want. Let's suppose I want to take type is a field name, right? And what will be the data type of this? So let me put this string, right? Again, I want to take the second field and let me put the number, right? And the data type should be integer. Let me select the integer, right? So for now I have taken only these two fields, so you can add many more with the help of comma, right? So now I want to feed the number or the value inside this field. So how we can do that? We need to add the curly bracket, right? Two curly brackets. So one will be the value. So we need to add the curly bracket here. So we will use the double quotes here, and we can use that expense is one of the type, and give the value number as 1, right? And we can close first curly bracket. If we want to add one more value, so you can add profit, right? Value is 2. Close this. If you want to add one more, add saving. Let's suppose saving. Assign it as 3. Let's add one more value. Discount as 4, and close it, right? So now you can name it as dummy table, just for the learning purpose, right? So if you will enter this, so we will get a table, right? So you can use it further in your analysis, right? The second way like you can create a table. Let me create a new table. Suppose you want to create a table out of your master table, right? So let's suppose your master table is fin data. So with the help of summarize, this is the summarize function. With the help of this, you can use this, and you can create a table out of your original table. So let's suppose this is my master table, and I want to take a few fields out of that. Let's suppose I want to take order date, right? Order date, and I want to take the amount, right? And let me take one more component, right? So we are just taking only these fields, right? And if I will enter this, so we will get a new table, right? Out of this master table we are getting data for the selected columns, right? So that's how you can create the table also, right? So further you can use this table, and this table acts as an independent table, right? So these are not dependent on this, right? So you can use it separately, and you can use your master table separately. So these are the things that I want to show you, right? So thanks for watching this video. So this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.